Dear brother and sister, if you have father, go hug your father, love your father, kill your father, because one day he will be no more.
Father, I am not considering him as only a father, because for me he is my love, because for me he is my strength, because for me he is my whole world, because for me he is my backbone, because for me he is my ability, because for me he is my strength.
Yes, I will bow to him every day. I will not argue with him. I will not fight with him. I will not hate him. I will not abuse him. I will not discriminate him. I will not defame him. But my dear brothers and sisters, I will listen to the one whom I want to be like, in the future. And that's why somebody has written somewhere, सफर में मुश्किलें आए तो हिम्मत और बढ़ती है, अगर कोई रास्ता रोके तो जुर्रत और बढ़ती है, अगर बिकने पर आ जाओ तो घट जाती है कीमत अक्सर, अगर ना बिकना चाहो तो कीमत और बढ़ जाती है.
In a family, a father is a personality who defines discipline, courage, respect, and knowledge. The concept of today's topic is really close to my heart.
He was wet all day because he sitting under the umbrella. We have a small shop there. So he have a fever, but still
Has an emotion, but he didn't tell. We don't have a time to talk at least 5 minutes, but we have a time to watch movie. We have a time to go with our friends. We have a time to call our friend. We have a time to go in market. We have a time to enjoy anywhere. But we don't have a time to ask father, Father, are you okay?
Golu bhai, I love you so much.
Very nice.
As you all know that on this Saturday, we conduct public speaking session, right? But today's session is something different, guys. Because today is the day of reminding the one who has or who might have done something special, crying in a house or doing something in a house, guys. As everybody has come to know that we are going to talk about a father, right? But looking your facial expression, I think that you need to do something so that you can feel energetic, so that you can feel empowered, so that you can feel confident to speak on the stage, guys. Today, guys, please, do not think that it is your presentation today. Today, do not think that it is kind of a speech that I have to perform. No. Today is the day of making your father feel that, dear Papa, I'm doing something. Really, guys, the way I'm speaking, my father cannot speak, but he has made me speak. Are you getting the point? Yes. My father cannot talk the way I talk, but he has made me talk. Right? The way I walk, the way I speak, the way I become energetic, the way I train, my father cannot. But my father has made me do that. जिस तरह से मैं बोलता हूँ शायद मेरे पापा नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन मेरे पापा ही मुझे बुलवाए. तो everybody's father has done something, guys, right? तो पहले आइए पापा से बात करने से पहले या पापा के बारे में बात करने से पहले, please everyone get up and let us do something so that we can feel energetic and confident, guys. Line, guys, that Cap sir has designed, and we have to just practice that and then do something else, right? There's one line, guys, we will grow together. The last time we have done, right? Line ko yaad rakhna, we will grow together. We will grow together. The second line is supporting each other. What a cute line, okay? Yes, all right, we will grow together. We will grow together. Supporting each other. We will grow together. Supporting each other. We will grow together. Supporting each other. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. All right. Dear Father. Dear Father. Look at me today. Your beta. Your Betty. Is doing something special. I promise. Dear Papa. One day. I will do something. And you will realize. Your Betty, your beta has done something special. My dear Father, only for you. I'm here. I'm here. Kaif sir always says, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है? बता तेरी रजा क्या है? Are you confident? Will you speak today? Will you speak for your father today? Are you sure? Good morning, everybody. Please. Qayyum, please come to the stage.
किसी भूखे से मत पूछो मोहब्बत किसको कहते हैं। किसी भूखे से मत पूछो मोहब्बत किसको कहते हैं, कि तुम आंचल बिछाओगे वो दस्तरखान समझेगा। Good morning, everyone. And thank you so much, Mr. Kaif sir, for having me this wonderful opportunity. Today, everyone has got the same topic. What is the importance of father in our life? The man who gave me life. The man who taught me to face death. The man who shaped my destiny. The person who showed me strength. The man who wrote my story. I am talking about a father. My father is my pride. A father introduces the world to you. A father gives you living. A father teaches you how to talk. A father teaches you how to walk. A father teaches you how to get up from a fall. A father takes care of your mother all those 9 months. A father buys all those toys for you with his heart and money. A father works half of the day in his scorching sun to give us happy life. A father is one of the gates to the heaven. Every effort our father is making us for our betterment. Every sweat he is perspiring for our comfort zone. There is no relation. No matter what the relation between the father and son is, no one in this world can fulfill the void of a father. And that's why somebody has said somewhere कि जब तक वो झुर्रियों भरे हाथ मेरे सिर पर हैं, जब तक वो झुर्रियों भरे हाथ सिर पर मेरे हैं, मेरी शान जिंदा है, मेरा रुआब जिंदा है। कयामत भी आ जाए तो मेरा क्या बिगाड़ेगी, अभी तो मेरा बाप जिंदा है। Remember, if you take suggestions from wrong people, your life will never be right. Sir, suggestions are not taken from everyone. You should take suggestions from the one who is better than you. I believe in the fact that the one who is better than me, if my father is not better than me, I don't think I should be like my father. I will bow to my father. I will bow to my father. I will salute him. I will wash his feet and drink it. But I will not listen to him because I don't want to be like him. I want to show him the world. I want to do something big, but I will not listen to him. Yes, I will bow to him every day. I will not argue with him. I will not fight with him. I will not hate him. I will not abuse him. I will not discriminate him. I will not defame him. But my dear brothers and sisters, I will listen to the one whom I want to be like, in the future. And that's why somebody has written somewhere, सफर में मुश्किलें आए तो हिम्मत और बढ़ती है। अगर कोई रास्ता रास्ता रोके तो जुर्रत और बढ़ती है। अगर बिकने पर आ जाओ तो घट जाती है कीमत अक्सर, अगर ना बिकना चाहो तो कीमत और बढ़ जाती है। Those who are doing a very good job. Why? Because they are intoxicated with work. And success is a drug. Success is an addiction. Wealth is an addiction. If you are unable to create a passion to become rich, if you are unable to create an ambition to become rich, you will never get money. You will get peace. You will get happiness. And there is only happiness and peace in India. What did you bring? What will you take? Soul, spirit. And I think he should have said this when he had 5 crore rupees in his account, that I am working on the food so that I don't spread smoke in the environment. And you don't have value you don't have value of cycle, and you are becoming an ideal human being. This is not right. Yes, you are tired. Yes, your mind is saying give up. Yes, it says saying quit, but you cannot quit because you realize you have not reached the goal yet. You have invested too much to quit now. You have lost too much to quit now. Don't cry about it. Don't whine about it. Just get up and reward for your pain. And that's why has somebody said before 10 years, वक्त के बहते दरिया में कुछ तो आहे मारो तुम, वक्त के बहते दरिया में कुछ तो आहे मारो तुम, जीत अगर मुमकिन ना हो तो लड़ते लड़ते हारो तुम। Especially I would like to interact youngsters. Stop giving excuses. Stop complaining that I don't have money, that's why I'm not successful. I don't have resources, that's why I'm not successful. Remember, you don't need money for success. You don't need resources for success. अरे जेब में गादी हो या ना हो, दिल में आदी होनी चाहिए। And success is not about money. Success is not about a good bungalow. Success is not about moving around in a good car. But of course, all these are the signs of success. But along with this, our teacher has taught us that we should have a good character, we should have a good manner, we should have a good communication skill, we should have a good expectation, we should have a good intention. Because इत्र से कपड़े महकाना बड़ी बात नहीं है, इत्र से कपड़े महकाना बड़ी बात नहीं है। मजे की बात तो तब है जब खुशबू तुम्हारे किरदार से आए। I would like to wrap up my speech. जुनून चाहिए लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए, कि जुनून चाहिए लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए, वरना सपने तो सब देखते हैं दूसरों को बताने के लिए। और लहरों को शांत देखकर ये न समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं है। लहरों को शांत देखकर ये मत समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं है। जब भी उठेंगे तूफान बन के उठेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, यू हैव बीन अ ग्रेट ऑडियंस।
To welcome the next person of the day, Miss Anka, please come to the stage.
कभी वक्त मिले तो अपनी पिता की आंखों में देखना, वो एक ऐसा आईना है जिसमें बच्चे कभी बूढ़े नहीं होते। Good morning everyone, this is me Anka Kausar and I am from Delhi. Today I want to talk about a person. He was not a person for me. Before that, I would like to thank Mr. Kaif sir for giving me such a great opportunity. As I told my brother what he is for her, I cannot explain what he was for me. Who don't care, father? I want to share something here. I was preparing NEET. I was preparing NEET in Delhi. I got called my brother said, "Come, father is ill. And I said, what happened? My father don't tell me what happened. And I started crying. When I go my house, I saw my father died. And before that, I cannot meet him. But I can feel what I am without my father. I love very much him. And my father want I have to become doctor, and I will become doctor, inshallah. I will become. I'm sad because he's no more. He's not with me. I'm happy because I have his blessings. I'm happy because I have his guidance. Dear brother and sister, if you have father, go, hug your father, love your father, kill your father, because one day he will be no more. I'm happy because he will be in Jannah one day. He will in Jannah one day. And I will meet my father and I will ask, why you leave me? Why you leave me, father? I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. But I have your guidance. You gave me such a beautiful support, and I will do, inshallah, something I will do. I will become doctor. Thank you for listening to me.
Oh my God. A great message by Miss Anka. Today you all have fathers. Go and hug your father. And what a great line she started by saying, कभी वक्त मिले तो अपने पापा के आँखों में देख लेना, वो एक ऐसा आईना है जिसमें बच्चे कभी बूढ़े नहीं होते. Come on guys, go and see in the eyes of your father. You are always bacha, you are always beta and beti. Today the father of Anka is no more. She said that I'm sad because father is no more, but I'm happy because of his blessing. बहुत बड़ी बात. And what a great message. He said that he will be in Jannah and I will go and I will talk to him. Great. I appreciate you, Miss Anka. It was your first public speaking. The way you spoke, it was great.
जो कुछ भी मांगा करूं दे दिया करे जिंदगी, जो कुछ भी मांगा करूं दे दिया करे जिंदगी, कभी तो मेरे बाप की तरह बन के दिखा. Good morning everyone, how are you all? First of all, I would like to pay a humble gratitude to Mr. Kaif sir, who giving me a best opportunity to speak in front of you. Today I am going to talk about that person because of whom I am standing here in front of you. Do you know why I am here? Because of father. Because of father. I am not considering him as only a father. Because for me, he is my love. Because for me, he is my strength. Because for me, he is my whole world. Because for me, he is my backbone. Because for me, he is my ability. Because for me, he is my strength. Ladies and gentlemen, the Father is the word you cannot define in the words. It is our emotion that God and Allah give us by gift. Today, I feel very unlucky person in the world. Do you know why? Because my father left the world on 16 September 2016. Yes, he is no more. He passed away when I am 17 years old. I remember that my cousin sister called me. I'm on my grandparents' house at that time. My cousin sister called me that please come here, your father is unwell. When I came there, he passed away. When I came here, he's laid down on the bed. I was blank at that time. I said to my father, Papa, he doesn't able to speak. I said one more time, Papa, he doesn't speak. At that time, I'm blank. I'm totally blank. I didn't understand what is happening. I don't realize like emotion, happiness. At that time, I'm blank. I'm totally blank at that time. But after that, when we reached graveyard and do all the things, after that, I reached my home. And after that, I was looking my father. Where is my father? I see everywhere, where is my father? My mother said to me, he is no more. I'm sitting alone, then I understand what is happening. I'm crying almost 2-3 hours alone. Nobody knows me where I am. I'm in the park and crying alone. But you know what my father wants? He wanted to give a world's best education for me and my brothers. He done lots of sacrifices. He done lot of things for our education because he wanted that my children become well educated. I remember one line. हंसता हूं सबके सामने, अपना गम किसी को दिखाता नहीं. हंसता हूं सबके सामने, किसी को अपना गम दिखाता नहीं. लेकिन कोई पल ऐसा नहीं जाता पापा जिसमें तेरी यादों का साया सताता नहीं. My father always wanted to me and my brothers become a well-educated person. So that is why he do a lot of hard work. At that time I was not a good student when I was young. My dadi, my grandmother said to me, you know, father, what he did, how can he earn? You didn't realize right now. But at that time, you will grow, you will become elder, then you realize what is the value of your father. And my grandmother also said, बाप धूप में जलता है, माँ चूल्हे पे जलती है. बाप धूप में जलता है, माँ चूल्हे पे जलती है, तब जाके औलाद पलती है। I want to share one incident of my life. I was understand at that time. My father not able to pay a fees for me and my brother's education. My father sold my mother golden chain and golden jewelry set for pay our fees. Right now I am realizing that why he pays this, because I am here to speak confidently, to speak in front of you what he wanted to become. Right now I understand what he wants, that they wanted to become his children. But definitely I will promise to all those who are sitting in the auditorium, who are watching in the camera, I will promise myself and to all of you that I will definitely buy a diamond set to my mother, and I will show you. I wanted to do with Hajj with my Ammi. I wanted to complete all his desires. Thank you so much. You have been great audience of the day.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
In a family, a father is a personality who defines discipline, courage, respect, and knowledge. The concept of today's topic is really close to my heart. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Aditi Modanwal and I am from Shahganj. Thank you, CAF sir, for giving me this opportunity. And the respect and incomparable role of father in our life. In Hindi we can say, पिता रोटी है कपड़ा है मकान है. पिता रोटी है कपड़ा है मकान है. पिता नन्हे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है. पिता से ही माँ का श्रृंगार है. पिता है तो बच्चों के सारे सपने अपने हैं, और पिता है तो बाजार के सारे खिलौने अपने हैं. But in English we can say the meaning of a father. A meaning of father according to me is like forgiving. Always being forgiving. The meaning of father is armor of a God. Helps me to protect and his family, his daughter. We have 3 siblings and we are girl. He always protect us like armor of a God. The meaning of father is a teacher. He is a first teacher of his daughter, son, and also because only for his family. The meaning of father is like helper. Without any expectation, he give everything about his family, about his daughter, about his son, about his wife. If I talk about the meaning of father is meaning everlasting. The memory of father for me is everlasting, never ending memory. The meaning of father is also respected. In his eyes, when you see in your father's eyes, you always see like he admire and his inspirational story. I bow to God in a temple, in a masjid, in front of mandir. I always bow. Why? Because they give me such kind of person who has innocent, decent, and understanding father. He always supporting me because of to make something better, to make his daughter better in comparison to everyone. He is a businessman. He always watch my video. He watch my YouTube video, but he didn't understand anything. But he watched. Why? Because of his love. He wants me to become something, and something like that can never be a person become in his relative, in his family. He never know about a single word about cabin crew. What is cabin crew? But he wants to see me in the uniform of cabin crew. And definitely I want to say something for my father. I know you watched my video. And I want to share some message to my dad. Dad, Papa, I cannot say this word in front of you. I miss you so much. I love you. And I respect you a lot. Bottom of my heart. And in future, I definitely become something that you want. I learned English because to make his smile, because of his one smile. He never understand a single word of English, but when I talk about everything like a debate, a presentation, Papa, I want this pen, I want this chocolate. He always appreciate me. And make one video and watch every day. When he sat on his chair, he watched my video. He never understand, but I know everything, like he respect my feeling. Like what she is saying, oh, I love this word, I love this. He don't understand, I know everything, but he did some type of things. You know everything. What is the main role and a main crucial role of a pillar in a house? Like father is my backbone of my life. Without him, I am nothing. He never thinks about his life, about his health, about his age, about his everything. But he thinks about my life, about my career, about my passion, about my ambitions, about my everything. In the year of 2016, I never forgot that day in the December when I was in the grade of 8th. He admitted in the hospital of Lucknow, PGI. After that, he migrated from PGI to Ram Manohar Lohia. I don't know what the problem, how my father feel at the year of 2016. But the tear, I really appreciate that tear make me strong. He has a blockage in his heart veins. He suffered a lot because of the heart disease. He is a patient of diabetes, he is a patient of BP, he is a patient of heart disease, but he never stopped me. In the future, Papa, I want to tell you, in future when I become something, I become a successful girl, I want that my shoulder is now ready to take some responsibility of your. It is not only your responsibility to take your house responsibility, your wife, your daughter responsibility. You married 2 daughters, it is okay. But I want that the marriage expenses, my life expenses, I will take all the responsibility of mine. You have only to sit on my house, in my house sofa. You scroll all your news channel video, my YouTube Shorts video, Capsar YouTube Shorts video. You watched me, and you spent all the money of my bank account. That's it. Thank you so much. You have been a great audience of the day.
Wait. You call your father by another name, right?
Yes, sir.
Say that.
The relationship between a daughter and a dad is really unbreakable, and I don't have the word. The relationship between dad and daughter, as my bond between my dad and me is like Tom and Jerry. I called him like, और बताओ गोलू भाई क्या हालचाल है? Golu name, his nickname given by his father, my grandfather. But I called him this name because of teasing him, because make a fun of him, because of his smile. In a day of business, he have so much tension, so much depression. Like there are lots of risk in a sweet business, sir.
Oh, yeah, I can understand.
The season, like rainy season, is very bad for the sweet shop. All the sweets were become swaggy and light, stingy, smelly. But because of his one smile, I called him by his name. his friend called him and neighbor all. No, my father name is Rajendra Kumar Modanwal, but everyone call him Golu. I don't know why. Because he play in his childhood gulli danda. And when his friend came to my house and repairing the AC, he is a very fat man and I always make fun of him after when he go to my house. And he said, Golu bhai, baith jaun main. And I also call him like, aur batao Golu bhai.
You can say Golu bhai, I love you.
Golu bhai, I love you so much.
Very nice, very nice.
Yesterday there was so much rainfall. My father have a shop, not shop, on a table.
Come on, speak. Yes.
The whole day he was on the shop. He was wet all day because he sitting under the umbrella. We have a small shop there. So he have a fever, but still he go today. That yesterday night he was coughing all the night, but still he went to the shop for us, for me, like shoulder for me. He's a support, he's everything for me. He like, I am a girl in my family, in my village. There were no girls not allowed to get a higher education. I am the only child who is studying. And sir, once a man, my relative have come at my home. He said, why are you teaching your girl, like she is getting 20 years old, get her married. Sir, my father has said, like, I will make him study till my last breath. Whether I have to sell my whole property, I will make her teach. And one day she will make me proud also. He have that much support and trust in me. In my family, there are people not trust on girls, like they are not allowing girls to go outside of the house. But my father, he always I want to share a story, like when I got admission in my college, I don't have any friends there. Like I was all alone there. I was crying after getting back at my house. I was always crying ki, like no one talked to me. There is no my friend there. He told, I am here for you. Share everything that you want to share. Every pros and cons in your life, happening in your life, you can share with me. I'm your friend. Don't treat me like I'm your father. Every time whenever sir uploads video, there was a debate video, anything, he continuously watches whole videos, repeat and repeat all. He didn't understand a word, but still he watches for me. Whole repeatedly he always say कि एक बार और लगा दे, देखा. In previous public speaking, I got a certificate from sir. Sir, I show my father that Papa, I got this. He said he was sitting on the bed and continuously looking at that certificate. He said, now you get third position, one day you will get first position in speaking. You have a potential. Whenever I have to give a speech, I always showed my father. He said, speak in front of me. he patiently listening all my words, and even though he didn't understand anything, he still listen everything. Like he catch a small words, like then he catches that. So because of him, I am improving day by day, because he's my teacher, he is my guide, he's my inspiration, and he's my real motivation. One day I will make him proud that a girl from a village became something in life and make my father proud. Like he will say, she is my daughter and she made it. Thank you very much.
A father is the only person who wants to see become more successful than him. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Kaif sir and this ma'am who has given me this wonderful and great opportunity to speak in front of you all guys. I am Muhammad Azam Mirza. I am a student of the batch of 2 to 4. Now I am going to speak and now I am going to talk about what's the role of father. We have got very amazing topic, and that is the role of father. Think about what is the role of father in our life. Who is father and what is the meaning of father? Father is not the only name. Father is not the only word. Father is not the only person. Then who is father? Then what is the meaning of father? Father is our emotion. Father is our love. Father is our strength. Who save us from society, who save us from haters, who save us from jealous people, who save us from problem. That is our father. He has an emotion, but he doesn't share. He has in pain, but he doesn't share. He has listened abuse so many times because of us, but he didn't tell anyone why he listened abuse. He has listened many times abuse from boss, from some people because of earning money. He knows very well, if I will earn money, then my family will eat 3 times food in a day. If I will earn money, then my family will wear clothes. If I will earn money, then my family will survive our life with peacefully. If I will earn money, then my children get admission in school. That is our father. When we watch any movies related to father, at that time we get emotion. When any children do disrespect to his father, at that time we cry. When a person to do disrespect, to abuse, a hooligans beat in movies, at that time we cry, we get emotion. But when we think about own father, we don't get emotion. We never think about our father. Yeah, he has an emotion, but he didn't tell. We don't have a time to talk at least 5 minutes, but we have a time to watch movie. We have a time to go with our friends. We have a time to call our friend. We have a time to go in market. We have a time to enjoy anywhere. But we don't have a time to ask father, Father, are you okay? Do you need something? I have brought something for you. Please take it. Every time our fathers, bring something for us, but no any time we bring for our father. We don't have a responsibility to love our father. Only father has a responsibility to love us. Think about, we have seen the love of mother. We know the love of mother, but we never ever seen the love of father. That is not means father does not love. He has many love inside, but he didn't show off. He has a love like an ocean, but he never show. That is a father. If I am speaking here, if I am standing in front of you all, if I eat 3 times food in a day, so because of my father. If I am taking breath, so it's a grace of only my father. So we should do respect our father. I have seen many videos on social media. I want to mention one example. That video, a father was selling a fruit while dancing. Why he was selling? Because of himself? Because he wants to eat something? No. He was doing because of his son. He was doing because of his family. He was doing because he knows, if I will do this, then my family will eat. Think about now, many fathers, do bad types of work. Means that is not a bad work, but that is a work, is a very respectful. We think our father is earning money like a king. We think, many people doing under our father. We think many people, salute our father. No. We don't know how he earn money. We don't know how much pain he survived. We don't know how much, emotion he is inside. If today we will not focus on education, if today we will not focus on our success, so our father will not say anything. But in future, we will see same thing. When our children do this, then you will feel what I did for our father. For my father.